Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how we can convert a particular mathematical function or operation into a program. Before doing that, I would recommend you to watch my previous video, which link is given in this description. So let's see. So here, suppose in mathematics, we want to perform addition of two numbers. So we'll write a equal to 5, b equal to c, and c equal to a plus b. So same thing in programming, how it will be written is void main int a equal to 5, b equal to 6, int c, and a equal to c equal to a plus b. Forgot about this void main as of now and this curly braces as of now. I'll discuss in later part of this video. Let's see some more program. So suppose there's another program that we want to write, like calculation of simple interest. So in program, how in math, how we calculate the simple interest is like this. Simple interest will be like principal into time into rate and divided by 100. So same thing in programming language will be written as first we give the value of principal in time in rate and float, that in simple interest. And why I have taken float here is because after doing the calculation we'll get the value in decimal, and from the previous video we know that to represent decimal value we need float. You can also write here float if you want to give the value as decimal value. So here it will calculate the simple interest. In programming language, the multiplication symbol here will be written as star symbol in programming language. Let's see one more program. So suppose you want to write a program that will do temperature conversion. Suppose you have given the temperature in degree Celsius and we want to convert into Celsius. So in mathematics you will do like this. This is the formula, Celsius into 9 divided by 5 plus 30. So same thing in programming, how you can achieve is void main float, and you give the value you want. You can give decimal value or integer value to the float value. So here you will see the calculated value will be calculated like this. So here again float is taken because the operation, after performing this operation, it will give a decimal value. That's why Fahrenheit is taken as float. Okay. So in next video, sorry, in next we'll see why we need this main function. So in programming, C programming, any function, any program that we write, it will start from this main function. So this is the execution where start, where this is the place where execution will start. So all the code that we want to write or into program is will be written inside this function. So first this will be written as void main and open parenthesis close parenthesis, and this curly braces, open curly braces and close, and in between we'll write all the code. So this is the basic of any program that we write in programming language in C. So thanks for watching, and to learn more concept please watch my other videos.